Well, you seen our one? We've got a little girl.
I'm fucking rolling. What?
I shot my clip.
Welcome back to another vlog. Good night last night. Struggling a little bit now though. I think today we're gonna go shooting, go and get some breakfast, just see what happens. Check out Hollywood, check out Los Angeles. Ready for tomorrow. Then we're gonna be heading to San Francisco for one night to go and see Alcatraz, and then we're gonna be heading to the big one, Las Vegas, for 5 days. So gonna be sick. Got loads of videos coming up. Look at this view. Nice little view to wake up to. Yeah, so need a bit of breakfast I think. Last night was a bit of a heavy one. Gonna have a chilled one tonight I think. Got the whip sitting outside. We've got Suburbans. Got the Mustang. Can't wait to get to Vegas. That is the big one, that is the big one. It's unreal. Definitely got to get the drone out again today. Hope you enjoyed the little bit of footage at the beginning. Loving the zoom by the way. So let's go get some breakfast.
Fucking this is proper, mate. Proper fucking sports mode and all that, innit?
There's only one place to have breakfast when you're out in LA.
My life.
You're in the game.
Let my subs know what we're doing today.
Alright lads, what we're going to do now, we're going to hit up Santa Monica Beach. So you're laughing, you make it awkward for yourself.
Easy with tips.
Breakfast done. Gonna hit up Santa Monica Beach. Just got down to Santa Monica Pier. Gonna check the sights out. Oh, what's going on here? Nice. I think I've officially conquered my fear of vlogging in public, even though it does look weird as fuck. Look at this guy over here. Gonna check out the pier for a bit and then head down to Venice Beach. This is so awkward, by the way. Forgot the drone remote control fuming. So let's check out Santa Monica. Just got down to Venice Beach, gonna check out the sights. Here's the famous Muscle Beach. This is proper LA. Just gonna head over and get some shots at the skate park where literally every YouTuber goes. Get some cool shots over there, then we're gonna head to the gun range, shoot some guns, see what happens after that. So let's go.
Shaking from the memory of it. I'll never forget when I first saw him. A man so monstrous, so unhuman, that I refuse to think it could ever happen again to anyone else. But who can be healed?
And I'll give it back to you.
No problem.
Thank you so much.
What do you got? What type of cameras? What is? Hey, the video. Hey, did you, David?
I ain't seen it yet, no.
Huh?
That's it. In the vlog.
Your vlog? You gonna vlog it? I say, wake up. People on that other life, living their life like a star, but do you really shine? I'm black and I'm British and I'm from Chirac, looking at the money like goddamn, we bout life. Real to the gang, yeah, we live this, huh? Money on ways, yeah, we flying past, huh? Talking about the lifestyle, but I only rock Magnum, that's my style, huh? Flipping the wings, I gotta move it fast, riding through lanes, I'm like I'm Derek Jeter, talking about life, but can you really live it, Champagne style, I had to move it back, My mama told me to get my act right, Diamonds on the chain, but they ain't acting right, My favorite car like a LaFerrari, though. 7 million when you hit the dash, how you living, though? Addicted to living, I had to live it up, Money my mind, I had to move it up, They talking about diamonds, but they ain't nearly had it. Looking at the chain like, goddamn, he about to move it. Real city, real life, I be doing that. But I was raised in Chicago, Windy City. My bad, I'm on a whole different category. Looking at the diamonds like, goddamn, I need some money, Back to back, but we flip it up. I gotta get this nigga some shit, so we live it up.
Time to hit the gun range.
first time you hear the crack, it's a bit scary, isn't it? It makes you jump a bit.
Do you know last time I come I got fucking scouted by Navy SEALs? You don't believe me, don't you? I was unreal. Huh?
Glad that's my drive done for the day, I told her.
You got to drive home now. Just in the gun range. Crazy place this. You can just walk in, buy a gun, and walk out with one. We've literally walked in, filled in a little format, and within 5 minutes we're going to be having that gun in our hand. It's left on our own.
Nervous, Craig.
Yeah, I'm worried about some psycho just turning on us.
Yeah, I know.
Imagine having a gunfight out there.
Now, what would you like to shoot today? Anything you see on my walls available. You guys want to try the M&P shield? Alright, so we're going to go over my safety rules. First one is treat every weapon as if it were loaded, okay? Never point the weapon at anyone you do not intend to shoot. This is your magazine release right here. Press this button and the magazine comes out. When loading your ammo, what you're going to do is you're going to take the round, push down, slide in, make sure it's fully seated, take the magazine, send it home, and then you're locked, cocked, ready to rock, okay? Yeah. Any questions about the operation of this firearm at this time?
Do you know how to do it, honestly? I don't want to get in there and not know how to do it.
Yeah, so.
Good?
So basically, took us 5 minutes to get left with a gun and our own lane.
You know what you're doing, Max, yeah?
I forgot already, I did.
Let's get some shots in. Competition time with me and Max. I ain't hit a target yet.
Yeah, empty. I'll put the.
Where that first little ridge is, yeah?
Max loading up the revolver.
No, and then you go and get the bullets back.
Cowboy gun.
But then you have to put the thing right back. It's a proper fucking powerful rifle. Yeah, well, yeah. I'll show you.
Shoulder it, man.
Pull the thing back and it goes.
Fucking hell! Blew up in my face. Is that supposed to be happening?
Oh my god.
Fucking hell, bro.
Is that ready to go now?
You're good to go.
Gone for the big one.
No, this is a bit. I can't even load the fucking thing.
It's hard. It explains a lot to you, doesn't it?
Yeah.
How can you walk in and then 5 minutes later be shooting guns like this on your own?
Fucking deadly, isn't it? Especially us, mate. Fucking hell. Don't even know how to load the thing. Craig's bottled it.
Well, you see now one. We've got a little girl.
I'm fucking rolling.
I shot my clip off, so I think that one.
Oh, when you
Well, that sniper's mad.
I ain't got a target.
just finished shooting. Now we're down Beverly Hills, gonna grab a bit of food in the best place to eat in America, Cheesecake Factory, hands down.
Everything I need to know. If your girlfriends, boyfriends, boys have got dough, when your best friend's telling you fuck that ain't no. I'm telling you she's back-minded, jealous, I'll tell her for you. I won't get violent, but I know what time. I love it when you go silent, when you know I'm right. See the position I'm in, people too. Don't listen, they see you and wanna be in your position, and every boy's wishing it could be them and you. So I depend on you.
What's the thing? That's
1029.
Hashtag first.
I like you, ain't nobody above. Just me beside you, see? But I don't wanna fall in love. No, I don't wanna fall in love. But your brown eyes, they got me hypnotized. Maybe we can give it a try. But I don't wanna fall in love. No, I don't wanna fall in love. I don't wanna fall in love. But your brown eyes, they got me hypnotized. Maybe we can give it a try. But I don't wanna fall in love.
Just got back to the villa. It's last night in LA tonight, and then heading to San Francisco in the morning. So gonna be up nice and early. Gonna miss this view, not gonna lie. Let's have one last look. So yeah, gonna end the day here, and new video tomorrow. See ya.